In Karnataka, Sakleshpura, total 2-acre beautiful estate with well-maintaining robusta, coffee, arecanut and many other trees. Tourist place, silent area, beautiful natural view around foggy and cool weather. Big pond, plenty of water, road and electricity facilities. Suitable for resort, homestay, villa, farmhouse, agriculture purpose. Total 1 CR asking, slightly negotiable. Thank you.